So today we are going to learn how to install Hadoop on your laptop. So before installing Hadoop on your laptop, first let us learn what is big data. So what is big data? So usually have what is data, but what is big data? So usually we measure memory, okay, in terms of kilobytes, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte, hexabyte, zettabyte and yottabyte. And usually have seen many films which are in terms of gigabytes, few gigabytes, and usually have laptop with hard disk, uh, 1 terabyte or 2 terabytes. So you have seen data in terms of terabytes or gigabytes, okay. But the big data is data that is beyond the terabyte, that is in terms of exabyte or petabytes, okay. So first let us learn what is Apache Hadoop. So in December 2004, Google first wrote the MapReduce paper, and in 2005 again Yahoo created the Hadoop. In 2006 Yahoo runs Hadoop on 5 to 20 nodes. Initially it runs on 5 to 20 nodes. So in March 2008 Cloudera was founded, and July 2008 Hadoop wins terabyte sort benchmark. It's the first time a Java program won this competition. Usually Hadoop is written in Java. In April 2009 Amazon introduced Elastic MapReduce as a service on S3/EC2. So you can even run Hadoop on the cloud platform. In June 2001 Hortonworks founded, and 2011 27th December Apache Hadoop release 1.00, and June 2012 Facebook claimed biggest Hadoop cluster totaling more than 100 petabytes in HDFS. In 2013 Yahoo runs Hadoop on 42,000 nodes, computing about 5 lakh MapReduce jobs per day. And 15th October 2013 Apache Hadoop released 2.20. Nowadays it is called as Yarn. So what is Apache Hadoop? So Apache Hadoop is a set of algorithms. It's an open source software framework for distributed storage and distributed processing of very large data sets. So large data sets is nothing but big data on computer clusters built from commodity hardware. So it is an open source software. So it's a software platform that lets one easily write and run applications that process vast amounts of data, and it includes MapReduce. So it is an offline computing engine, HDFS, Hadoop distributed file system, HBase, online data access. So why it is so popular? Because of these features. One is scalable. It can reliably store and process petabytes. It is economical. It distributes the data and processing across clusters of commonly available computers. So third point is efficient. By distributing the data, it can process it in parallel on the nodes where the data is located. Reliable. It automatically maintains multiple copies of data and automatically redeploys computing tasks based on the failures. So these are the companies who have contributed to the open source Hadoop software since 2006. If you see, the Hortonworks has contributed more, Yahoo, Cloudera, Facebook, LinkedIn, eBay, IBM, Immobi, Apple, Twitter, Amazon. So these are the famous companies who have contributed to the Hadoop.